Hi there, my friends. Today we're talking about the anatomy of a scam. Why are older Americans scam targets? More than likely, you've heard about the grandparent scam where a caller claims to be an individual's grandchild, needing emergency cash now. Another known one is that the person won a prize. They're letting you know that you won an award, the prize, right? The elderly are targets because the main reason is due to the perception of them losing mental acuity, which is not correct most of the time. Now, the statistics from the Federal Trade Commission last year, 2022, Consumer Sentinel Network, CSN, indicates that a much younger age group falls for scams most frequently. Let me give you some numbers. The SNO reports indicates that Americans between the ages of 30 and 39 get defrauded at a rate of 176 victims per 1,000 in their age bracket. By comparison, those ages from 70 to 79 reported a significantly lower rate of 132. Reason being is the younger age trusts the internet more. And some elders stay sharp in spotting thieves and fraudsters, right? The main reason they are targeted is because they have more money, plain and simple. Yeah, older people tend to have more in general, right? Now, here's the anatomy of a scam. To stop a scam, we must learn to recognize one, right? Here's the main symbols to watch for. One is claims of huge, gigantic financial gain, right? A fast scheme, fast, money, you're getting money fast. Another one is promises of financial security. Another one is scare tactics to trigger fear. They give you very few details of how a promoted venture works, right? They just not so many details, so we don't find out too much, right? There's high pressure to make a decision fast. Commit now, decide now, right? There's to make it fast. And then there's gift cards requested for fund transfers. Now, we need to be proactive. One thing to do is have elder relatives, friends, neighbors, establish a buddy system. You see this buddy system approach? You pair them up with a friend, a neighbor that review all the offers. And this buddy approach works because you have two set of eyes instead of one, right? So when you uncover a scam, share it with the federal government by all means. They want to hear from us. They want to hear. The Federal Trade Commission has an updated website with all the new scams and all the what's happening, right? So make sure that you let them know. Now, you and your family more than likely may appreciate our complete identity theft, identity monitoring that ID Shield provides. That's why we keep winning every cybersecurity award. We were named best in class by Forbes advisors. Once our 24/7 monitoring is set up, we will monitor for personal data leaks and alert you of potential harm. You see, your privacy is your business. Protecting it is ours. So I hope this helps, and I see you on the next one.